Alright, I'm here with another layout. This is my last one. And let me see. Oh, put it here. Yeah, back here. So the background is Maggie Holmes' garden party. I have almost exhausted this entire kit. I don't think I have but maybe one or two whole sheets. So the blue floral is Maggie Holmes' garden party. The black and white polka dot pattern is from the March kit. I don't have the branding strip anymore. However, I did do a layout with that yellow floral, so let me see. Floral layered. I think this one. I guess I can say is Maggie Holmes' garden. No, the black and white one is not. That's not the right one. Let me see if I can find it. Floral layer. Floral strip. Pink strip. Pink floral. I know I floral layer. Simple store. No. I'm pretty sure that black and white polka dot pattern I brought over from the March kit. I know I did. But I know I used the yellow. I'll have to look and see. And the wood grain is Maggie Holmes' garden party. And that pink layer was a leftover scrap. And that one I think I brought over from the March kit as well. Oh, I do have a whole sheet. It's that butterfly pattern. I'm not sure how to use it. I might cut them out and then going across the page on a diagonal, like from corner to opposite corner, diagonally position them when I scrapbook a picture of my flowers that I took a close-up of. Had to go out and take a lot of pictures of my flowers, the different ones, different colors for this kit. Oops, it's time for me to shut off zone 5 and start zone 4. Let me finish this first. So I use, those are chipboard stickers there. I use mostly chipboard stickers. That's a sticker. That label is a sticker. I'm going to put up the upper right corner of the picture with the fox, which is a chipboard sticker, which is Maggie Holmes' garden party. The regular stickers are too. So those are stickers. The fox is a chipboard sticker, which I'm going to pull off the backing so he's not so thick, and then glue him down. Am I right? The fox? No. Double check. Yeah. I was right on that. The fox is the You're going to see me doing this, and I actually changed it because I did not like it. Well, my title was going to be Sweet Sunshine, and then after the fact, I realized, oh no, I already have one that's Sweet Sunshine. So I changed it. You'll see that in the pictures. And then sweet, I wanted to use the cakes and the cupcakes because I don't bake. I don't make that stuff. So it's not like I'm going to have any pictures of cakes or cupcakes in which to use those items. So they always end up in my stash. So I am going to, and I know Reese's head gets in the way, I'm going to use them with the word sweet. But since I changed it, it's going to go as like a little, as embellishment cluster on another layout. And this picture I titled it The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, because in that first picture you see how tall the backyard is. This was the day that we had to go, day before closing, we had to go and inspect the house ourselves to make sure that everything is in its place, everything is the way it was, nothing was removed, blah, blah, blah. And I told her, I says, well, we certainly, the grass certainly didn't look like this, and the listing realtor was a jerk. Yeah, he said he would have the lawn mowed when we moved in, and it was not done, so our realtor actually paid, because I told her, I said, I don't think that's fair. I said, we were told it would be mowed, and it's not mowed. So she paid somebody to actually come do it. Because I told her, I'm not paying somebody, and I'm not mowing it myself, because that, I told you that the house, this is not how the house was when we looked at it. So, anyway. And I didn't use die cuts, but anyway, so Sunshine is American Crafts Garden Party Thickers. The is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet from the March kit. And then Good, Bad, Ampersand, and Ugly are all American Crafts Happy Day Thickers. And that is that. And you'll see that right here, how I changed it. Anyway, so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back.